Okay, so good afternoon, students. So today I will show you some specimen, and you have to say something about the specimen. So this is the liver. So this is the liver, and this one is the lobes of the liver, and this one is the liver which I have collected it from your practical your lab room. So during exam, they can show in this way also. Like they can show you this one and this model, model. This model they can show you and like they can ask you like what is this, and tell me something about this organ, and tell me like how many lobes are there in the liver, and also they might ask you like the function of the liver. Function and all they will ask you in futility. So they will ask you about all these things also. So this model is liver, which I have collected it today itself. And this one is a kidney. Can you see kidney? I've collected two. This is the left, this is the right kidney. So I've collected both of the kidney. So this is kidney, and kidney is a, what is the shape of the kidney? Yes, anyone?
Pin shape.
Yes, bean shape. So from the this specimen box only, like you can see it, right? It's like a bean, it's not it? Yes, it's like a bean, it's not it? Tulunga nursery.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's bean shaped. There you have two kidneys, right and the left kidney. Right kidney is a bit lower compared to the left. It's not it? So this is kidney. So in exam also they will ask you the same thing. That they will show you the specimen. They will show you this specimen and they'll ask you what is this, and you have to say something about that organ, and also you need to say about the function also of the kidney. So the next is stomach. So this is stomach. I couldn't show in a nice way, in a proper way, but as far as I could, like, I have clicked it, and this is the picture of stomach. So this is stomach. Huh? Yes, Tashi. Tashi, do you have any questions? Okay, so this is stomach. It is J shape. The stomach is the shape of the stomach is J shape. Understand? And it helps in what digestion. That is here digestive system. Also in the gastrointestinal tract, it's there. Next is lung. This is the lung. This is only the right lung, and so this is the normal lung. So this is a smoker's lung. Like whoever smokes too much, their lungs becomes like this, and this is the normal lung. And I have said now, in the heart is located where? The heart is located in between the lungs. It's not it. So this is the heart. So this is the heart, and the heart is located in between the lungs. So this is the lungs. One, two. So it's there. So you have two lungs. Helps in what? The lungs, it helps in respiratory system. That is respiration. Breathing in, breathing out. It helps you in that thing. That is the lung. Next is larynx. This is larynx. It is also known as what? It is also known as voice box. And the larynx, they are responsible in what? They are responsible during respiratory system. It's not it. So in the larynx, the respiratory system plays an important part in it. When you breathe in respiratory system, when you breathe in, what happens? It collects the air inside it. It is also known as S box. It is larynx. Next is your ear. So this is also a model. It is made by the students. So this is also a model. So this is the inner ear. So this is the inner ear. All these parts. Malus interstates is also there inside it. And next is your eye. This is the eye. This is also the model made by the students only. So this is the eye. And this picture is also taken from the laboratory class. This is also a model made by the same thing made by the students. So this is the development of the features. So we will get this one in the reproductive system. So this is just a picture how it develops. It's not important to you. Like I'm just showing it to you in graph. Just for your better understanding, I have shown you this one. So this is how the fetus grows. Yeah. Okay. Is it clear, everyone, about the specimen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will be able to say about the kidney? Who will say? Yatulika, can you say about kidney? Yes.
Yes,
Can you say about kidney?
kidney.
Yes.
Kidney is a vein safe and right side right side kidney is little bit lower than left side and
Why it
left
is
side.
lower?
Yes, ma'am.
Why the right kidney is lower compared to the left? Why?
Because it's like when it's pumped, so we can feel that
What can you feel?
when we take breath, so that we can feel.
When you take breath, you can feel. That's why the right kidney is lower.
Yes.
Are you sure? Because
Yes,
liver is
sure.
there.
Yes.
Because liver is there. Upside the right kidney. Wait, let me see. This is liver. Understand? You have to. So this is your liver. So the right kidney lies just downside of your liver. That's why space is there. And this pressure is there. That's why the right kidney is lower compared to the left because of the space occupied by the liver. Is it clear? Yatu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so can you tell me the kidney is divided into how many areas? Tulunga nursery. Tulunga nursery, can you say how many areas are there in the kidney? Okay, Tashi, can you say? Rashmi, can you say how many areas are there in kidney? Next, Subhash, can you say how many areas are there? How many? How many areas? Sorry. How many areas are there in the kidney? Yes. How many? Okay, Srijana, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how many areas are there in the kidney?
Ma'am, three.
Can you name them?
Yes, ma'am. Capsule, cortex, and medulla.
Capsule, cortex, and medulla. Okay, good. Okay, next, Sajarika. Sajarika Dev Barma, can you hear me? Sajarika, can you hear me? Okay, next, Sachi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sachi, what is this? What is the name of the specimen?
Stomach,
Okay, stomach. And what is the shape of the stomach?
J shape.
Okay. Okay, so what kind of acid is there in the stomach which helps us in digestion?
HCl.
HCl. It is known as HCl. Can you tell me the full form of HCl?
Hydrogen chloride.
No. Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloride.
Chloric. Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Okay. Okay, next. Okay, Sachi. Okay. Okay. Next, Rohan. Rohan Dev.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is this?
Right part of the lungs.
Lungs. Okay, can you tell me about lungs?
It helps to inhale and exhale our breath.
Uh-huh.
It helps in inhaling and exhaling.
It helps in inhaling and exhaling. That is, it comes under the system, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, or reproductive system. That is. Under which system this lungs fall? Respiratory system, cardiovascular system, or reproductive
Respiratory system.
respiratory system.
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay, how many lungs do we have?
lungs do we have?
How many? How many do
Oh,
we have?
a pair, ma'am.
Pair. So how many pairs? Two pairs, three pairs? How many?
One, one pair.
One pair.
Yes, ma'am.
So total how many?
Two.
Two,
Two
two.
sides, right and left.
Okay, right and the left side. Okay, the lungs is covered by which bones? There is bones, right? In anatomy, I have discussed with you the
The
practical.
trachea conduct inhale the air into the lungs.
No, no, I'm not talking about trachea. I'm talking about bones. Some bones are covered. I mean, with the help of like bones, uh, the lungs is like
Ma'am,
staying
thorax.
in the same position, right? In the correct place, you can say. So, what is the name of the bone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you understand my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give you one example. Suppose like you have a like blazer means coat, overcoat or blazer or anything. So if you will hang somewhere, you need to have hanger, right? Yes, Rohan.
Yeah.
You need to have hanger so that you can hang it like in a nice way, in a proper way, so that it won't get crisscross. It's not it. So it's the same thing. The lungs is also situated where I mean, one bone is there who is like helping the lung so that it will remain in the exact place. It will remain in the correct place. So can you tell me the name of that bone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Who knows the answer? Kiritya,
Ma'am, ribcage.
Jyotishmita, what? Jyotishmita, you're saying something.
Ma'am, ribcage.
Yes, rib cage. It's not it. So inside the rib cage, yes, good, Jyotishmita. So inside the rib cage, what is there? Lungs is there, and even the heart is also there. It's not it. So they help the internal organs. It is the visceral organs. I've said the internal organs is also known as visceral organs. So the lungs, I mean the rib cage, I mean there is a name of the bone. Understand? So the rib cage helps the lungs stay in the exact location or else you can say proper position. Is it clear, Rohan? Are you clear now? Yes, are you clear now, Rohan? Yes, Rohan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you clear now? It means it's the name of the bone is the rib cage.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So silly, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the lungs. Okay, you have got two lungs, this and this, right and left. So the heart is here. I mean your heart is here. So the heart is located where? The heart is located in the mediastinum. Mediastinum means what? In between the lungs. In between your lungs, the heart is located. This one. Okay. Okay. Next. Next. Caroline. Caroline, can you hear me? Next, Hasina. Hasina, can you hear me? Okay. Next, Jondeep.
Ma'am,
Okay, Jondeep. What is this?
ma'am,
Yes,
ear.
ma'am.
Ear, inner ear, right? So,
Yes.
inside your ear, you have got how many bones do you have inside your ear?
Ma'am, 3 ossicles.
Three ossicles, so many.
No,
No, no, I'm talking about bones.
ma'am, 8.
Bones, you have got bones, right, in that ear.
Yes.
So
Oh, yes, ma'am.
can
Ma'am,
you name those bones?
ma'am, 3.
Yeah, three.
Ma'am, incus, stapes, and ma'am, 3 bones.
Okay, incus, then
Stapes,
you say stapes, okay.
steps,
Incus, stapes, and
ma'am, ossicle,
incus, malleus, and stapes.
yes, yes,
Do you
yes.
remember now? Okay. So you have got three bones. In each ear, you have got three bones. Understand? So total six. You have incus, malleus, and stapes. Okay. So the inner, your ear, it comes under which organ? Don't it? Which organ?
Ma'am, auditory canal,
No, no, wait. It comes under male reproductive organ, female reproductive organ, or sense organs.
sense organ.
Sense organs. They help you in hearing. It's not it.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the eye. So Kimtyu, Kimtyu, can you hear me? Okay, Kajal. Kajal, can you hear me? Rinkumani.
Ma'am.
Okay, Rinkumani.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
in the eyes, you have got reflex, right? In the eyes,
Yes.
you have got reflex. So can you name the reflex which I have explained to you in the eyes? In the eyes, you have got some reflex, right? I have discussed with you.
Yes.
Your pupils will be contracted. I said right. Means your pupils will become small. It will become constrict. It's not it. So can you name that reflex which I have discussed with you? Can anyone name it? If anyone knows the answer.
Ma'am, cornea.
Uh-huh.
Cornea.
No, no. No, I have mentioned one reflex. Can anyone name? There, what used to happen, the pupils, it used to constrict. I mean, the pupils used to get small, smaller in size. So, can anyone name that?
Photopupillary reflex.
Yes, miracle, correct. Photopupillary reflex. Is it clear now, Rinkumoni? It's photopupillary
Yes.
reflex. Here, the pupils it used to get smaller in size. Understand? Here pupil is not there, but only all these parts are there. So there, what usually used to happen means in the photopupillary reflex, pupils it will constrict, it will become small in size. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, do you have any doubts? I'll show you once again all the specimen. Do you have, this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. So do you have any doubts in all these 10 specimens? Anyone? Anyone? Any one of you have any doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes.
about fetus.
About fetus, I already said it's not included in your syllabus, but I have just shown it to you, just for your understanding.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just like that I have shown you, but fetus is not important for you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, in your reproductive system, you have got right. Only like in your syllabus, only reproductive system is important. I mean, how a lady gets pregnant, but how the fetus, I mean, how it is formed and all is not included in your syllabus. But just for your, just for you to see, I have pasted it and I have shown it to you. This one. So this is a model made by some students. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Yes, everyone, is it clear? If I'll ask anything
Yes,
from,
ma'am.
okay, so if I'll ask anything from all the specimen, that will you be able to answer? I can ask like anything uh, from all this, um, from all this specimen or else from all this model. So if I'll ask anything, suppose say for example, I've asked you about this kidney. So will you be able to say that this is a kidney and will you be able to say the size? Will you be able to say the shape? Will you be able to say the location? And also will you be able to say the function of the kidney and also the areas of the kidney? Yes, everyone. Will you be able, everyone? The examiner might ask you anything. Like the examiner might ask you, tell me the structure of kidney, tell me the structure of this one. What? Tell me the structure of stomach. All this like they might ask you. So will you be able to say everything? Everyone? Yes, please respond.
No, ma'am.
No, why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yatulika, were you not present in the previous class?
I was present, but ma'am, actually I didn't understand that
Which part you didn't understand? Which one?
small intestines.
Uh-huh.
Small intestines.
Small intestine.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so this is the specimen of small intestine. So, the small intestine, it has got three parts, is duodenum, jejunum and the ileum. And the small intestine, they plays an important role in the digestive system. Understand? And it is 22 foot long. The small intestine is, what is the length of the small intestine? 22 foot long. Understand? Yatulika? Yes. Yatulika? Can you hear me, Yatu? So the small intestine is 22 foot long and it plays an important part in the digestive system. Is it clear now, Yatu? Hello? Can you hear me, others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can hear me, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, why she's not responding? Okay, okay then. In the next class, in anatomy as well as in your physiology practical, so sorry. So same thing I will do. Like I will show you some parts of the specimen and I'll ask any one of you. So you please get ready. I'll show you once again. So you please be prepared and come. I mean come online. So brain, liver, then heart, small intestine, kidney, stomach, lungs, then larynx. It's not that much important. I mean, the only thing is that like it plays an important part in the respiratory system and it is known as the voice box. It's not that much important. And ear, then eye. So all this specimen, like you please go through once and you come and I'll ask any one of you in the next class for anatomy and physiology practical. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, you will ask about the fetus also.
No, no. Features is not important. Just for your understanding, I'm showing it to you. Just for your
Yes.
understanding. Okay. Okay, I will show, I mean any one of this. I'll choose any one and I'll ask any one of you in the next class. Is it okay? You please see and come. Your exam is also approaching, I guess. So you please study and come and I'll ask you. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then that's all for today's class.